Hi, welcome to my English Learning Corner. This is part 2 of most common English words. We are looking at nouns, and nouns are words that refer to people, places, or things. I will give you some pictures with short descriptions of what the words mean. The first one we have is year. Year is the passing of time based on the days that the earth move around the sun. So the way that the earth moves around the sun means that the sun will come up, this is the sun, and it will go down. And based on one cycle of the sun coming up and going down, we add 1 day. We also have back, which is referring to behind you, this area. And it also refers to something that happened at a previous time or an earlier time. So earlier I told you what time was and how to see it. And now here, an earlier time we can also describe using back. So some people might say, back in the day, we used to buy things for a lot cheaper. Yes. So next one is thing. Thing is a very famous comic book character, but in English it actually refers to a material object without life, so definitely not this thing, that you cannot remember a specific name for. So if I say, what's this thing? It's an eraser. So it has a name, but I cannot remember what it's called. For another example, I can say, what is this thing? Then we can say, well, it's a pen. So it's a dead thing without breath, and we can give it a name later on. Now, what is your name? In this section, name refers to a specific person or thing to show what exactly it is. So this will be a green pen, but it is also just a pen for a name. We can also say, my name is, and then you tell me what your name is. We also have sentences. So in a sentence, we usually have a subject, which is blue, a verb, which is red, and an object, which is green in this case. So the sentence always starts with a capital letter, so a big letter, not a small one, and it ends with a full stop. So that is this little point at the end of the sentence. For the definition, a group of words starting with a capital letter, so the big letter, ending with a full stop, with a formal format of subject, verb, and object. So Sue eats fish is the very simple way of saying it's a full sentence. Then we have end. How do we know when something ends? It stops. So the final part of something. Since this series has many parts, this is not the end of it, but there will be an end to it. Then we have picture. Picture refers to a drawing or a picture of something or someone. So this is a pencil, but it is not a drawing. It is used to make a drawing. So if I would like to make a drawing, I can use a piece of paper and, for example, just draw something on the piece of paper. That would be a drawing. Then we have man. Man is usually a male of the human species. Men is the plural, so many different men. You will see they are all males and they are in a group, so they are a bunch of men. We then have air. If you do this, you can feel the air moving against your hand. So it's a mixture of invisible gases that surrounds the earth and that we breathe. So I moved air into my lungs I blow it out of my mouth. Then we have line. The meaning of line is this blue section here, or even these black ones that cross in the middle. So a line is a mark made with a pen or pencil and can refer to someone standing in a certain way. So when we go to a place and we are waiting to pay for something, we will stand in line right behind each other. I really hope this section helped you to understand some of the most common English words that we use. Enjoy your day.